Again, I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and I'm going to unbox here today this Novostella 52.5-foot LED light strip. So this is great to have, again, for holidays, for anything where you want to have this cool kind of mood lighting on the outside of your home. Or inside, you can use it indoors as well. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the box here, and let's take a look at what we've got. So we've got a bunch of different things in here. We've got these nylon cable ties. I think you would use these to set this product up along outside of your home, connect it onto things. We've got our manual on here, and then we've got this spool that has the long strand. It's 52.5 feet. That is quite long. It's long enough to run all along the outside of your house, maybe under the eaves. You can see this nice long string of the light here. So you can put this along, and then inside of this we've got these RGB LEDs. So these are little LEDs. They can change through many millions of colors, and you can customize that from within the app. So you can actually connect this up to your phone. You can change the color, you can swap out colors, you can make it special colors for a holiday. You can do anything you want with this once it's connected up. So you can put this along again outside of your home, and I love that it comes on this spool so you can easily walk along and thread this out and connect it. And again, with these little nylon cable ties, easy to set that up anywhere that you want outside of the home. The other way that you can set this up to be able to mount it, we actually have these little mounting strips for the that's customized specifically to the light strip here. So these basically connect onto the light strip, and then there's a little screw that you can screw in to connect this into wood, for example. So if you want more of a permanent mounting, this is great to use these, and you could set this up again under eaves outside of your house is a great use case for it. And then you can customize in the app and choose any color that's appropriate to the season, or just a white light to create some nice security lighting or mood lighting outside the home. So temporary setup, go for these little tie wraps. The more permanent setup, go for these that you screw in. It's great to have the options. 52.5 feet is super long, and then we've got the power supply that we can connect this up and actually power the device here. And then we have a little remote that we can use to control this. And I think this is cool because it makes it super easy to change out the lights to different colors in here, to change the brightness, to change between a music mode where it's going to be able to listen into to music around you and change colors to that. So cool to have that, and nice to have the ability to do that from that wireless remote. We've got a little manual here that's going to walk us through how to download the app and to connect these up, and everything that you need to do in order to get these working. Very easy to do this, and you can do, as you can see here in the app, they have a little picture of it. You can do all kinds of different special controls here for these Novostella products. So I've used a lot of different Novostella devices. This has 560 LEDs, so it's going to provide quite a lot of good light, in addition to that cool ability to customize it. Great for the holidays, and Novostella sent this to me, so thank you for sending that to me to check out. I'm really excited to install these and see how it works out in my own house.